Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change case in Google Docs. So firstly type your data, then select, and you click on format. Now hover cursor to text. Now scroll down and here you will find option capitalization. So select like you want to set lower uppercase or title case. So select uppercase. That's it. If you want to convert this upper to lower, again select, then format, text, capitalization, and select lowercase. And that's it. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by this simple step you can know how to change case in Google Docs. Thanks for watching this video.